Find Your Unicorn Space by Eve Rodsky, a practical guide to pursuing your passions. Start by reflecting on what's truly important to you. What are your values, interests, and passions? What brings you joy and fulfillment? Once you've identified your top 5 priorities, use them as a guide for how you spend your time. Step 2. Carve out time. The next step is to make time for yourself. Setting limits and using your time wisely are therefore necessary. Learn to say no to commitments that conflict with your priorities and, when practical, assign tasks to others. Step 3. Pursue your passions. Finally, it's time to pursue your passions and spend time in your unicorn space. This might be difficult, particularly if you're struggling with self-doubt or a lack of resources. But you can get past these challenges and find fulfillment in your passions by taking baby steps toward your goals and surrounding yourself with an encouraging community. The importance of prioritizing self-care. Rodsky says that finding your unicorn space is not selfish. It's an important part of living a happy life. Prioritizing your own needs and interests will improve your ability to support others and have a positive influence on the world. But practicing self-care means looking after your physical, mental, and emotional well-being as well as your interests. In Find Your Unicorn Space, Rodsky gives helpful tips for putting self-care first, such as how important it is to get enough sleep, meditate, and schedule exercise. Finding support in your community. The significance of finding a helpful community is one of the major themes in Find Your Unicorn Space. Having a group of people who share your interests and support you in your endeavors can be incredibly inspiring and can help you get over obstacles along the way. Rodsky provides advice on how to find and develop your community, whether it be through social media, neighborhood clubs and associations, or online discussion forums. The benefits of finding your unicorn space. So what are the benefits of finding your unicorn space? They are numerous, according to Rodsky. Prioritizing your interests and looking after yourself will increase your sense of fulfillment, lessen stress and burnout, and give your life more direction and meaning. You'll also be better able to show up for others, whether at work, in your personal life, or in your community. Find Your Unicorn Space is a practical guide for anyone who's feeling overwhelmed, unfulfilled, or burned out. By following Rodsky's 3-step process, you'll learn how to prioritize your passions and make time for yourself without sacrificing your other responsibilities. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a busy professional, or someone who just needs a little more balance in their life, this book offers practical tips and guidance for finding your unicorn space and pursuing your passions. In addition to the 3-step process, Find Your Unicorn Space includes real-life examples and stories from people who have found their own unicorn spaces. These stories are motivational and inspiring because they show that it is possible to overcome problems and follow your dreams even when you have a busy schedule. Overall, Find Your Unicorn Space is an excellent resource for anyone who is feeling stuck or unsatisfied. You can achieve a sense of balance and fulfillment in your life by prioritizing self-care and pursuing your passions. So why not start looking for your own unicorn space today? Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing.